Okay, guys, check this out. We got 3 revolvers in here, 3 in there, a light. Also, these fans. We got a lot. This map, or iPad, and there's also right here. Check out his. No, okay. He has 2 RPGs, but you better like change it because this will go down. Yes. Well, it's okay. Has revolvers down, and oh, that's smart. So you can go up and shoot them down. Yeah. He has 2 flashlight, one in the back, one in front. I only got in the back. So let's go. And, oh, let's go into style real quick. Okay. Yo, first perfect. Let's go. Gotta do like this, the Michael Jackson way. Okay, it's dark, so good thing we got our light. Okay, 3. Where are you? When?
A few moments later.
There he is. 3, 2, 1, let's go. Ow. That thing punched me. Okay, come on. Just try. Yeah. Okay, 3, 2, 1, go. Let's go. Can you make it? Come on. Where is it? Let's go up. Oh yeah, I don't have RPGs. Gotta go back. We have to come back and not die, so be careful. Let's go up. Please don't die. Here. I made it. Where did you go? Or a L, but it's a W. High five. We did it by our own. We see nothing. I pulled the trick with the light. So, is it a W? Yo, is that W or a L? W. Yup. So that's it. See you guys tomorrow.